Did you know that 49% surveyed by FirstService Residential believe their HOA boards fall short of communication? In this video, I'll share some strategies for effective HOA communication. Hey there, I'm Galina, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Let's dive right in. Stick around till the end of the video for something special, laying the foundation. Effective communication in HOA is about understanding and trust, not just relaying information. Before exploring tools and channels, it's vital to grasp the foundational principles of successful communication. In addition, I'll discuss the essentials of creating a communication plan, addressing frequency, messaging, and audience understanding. Communications Committee. To streamline and oversee communication, many associations form a communications committee. This committee acts as the central hub for all communication-related activities, ensuring consistency, clarity, and engagement with the community. Here are the responsibilities of a communications committee. Develops a communication plan, ensures all communications are consistent and reflect the HOA's value, acts as a primary point of contact for feedback, crafts communication strategies, manages crises with clear, calm, prompt, and helpful communication, reviews and approves content going out to residents, organizes and promotes events, resolves conflicts relating to community communication, stays updated with all new communication trends and technologies, and recommends articles for publication by the community manager on behalf of the HOA. I'll go into specifics of some of these points later in the video. The Communications Committee plays an invaluable role in ensuring that the lines of communication within an HOA remain open, effective, and resident-centric. Transparency. For an HOA, transparency is essential because it builds trust and ensures residents feel involved in the decision-making process. Consistently being open about processes and decisions fosters resident security and trust. It's crucial for an HOA to be transparent about its financial and project statuses. Clear financial reports and regular updates on ongoing projects prevent misinformation and allow residents to stay informed and respond appropriately. Updated contacts list. Effective communication in the HOA requires periodically updating and verifying resident contact information to ensure their timely delivery of essential community updates. Residents should also be prompted to whitelist the community's email to prevent missed communication. Here's some good methods to collecting and updating your residents' information. Annual verification, digital portals, and feedback forms. No matter which approach you take, make sure it's easy and accessible to encourage completion. While HOAs can't require owners to provide email addresses, many do so voluntarily, making these emails official association records. It's important to ensure owners that their email addresses will be used solely for official communications and won't be accessed by unauthorized individuals. HOA Communication Policies. An HOA's communication strategy should be directed by a clear policy ensuring consistent messaging regardless of board's changes or community shifts. This policy defining the how, when, and what of communications aids in preventing misunderstandings. When formulating the policy, involve key stakeholders like board members and residents, set clear objectives, and periodically review the policy for relevance. Digital platforms in HOA communications. In an increasingly connected world, embracing digital platforms can significantly enhance the effectiveness of HOA communications. These tools offer convenience, immediacy, and can foster greater engagement among residents. Emails. While some might consider emails outdated, they remain a direct method to connect with residents. Constructing a dynamic email list is crucial, regularly updating it, ensuring residents stay informed. Emails from the HOA should offer value, including community news, events, updates, financial reports, and changes in the community guidelines. Transparency is key in all communications. For some tips on drafting effective emails, click this link right here to learn more. Resident portals. A resident portal is an online platform allowing residents to access community information, pay dues, and manage HOA-related tasks. Essential in the digital age, these portals benefit HOA managers, property managers, and stakeholders in real estate. Lacking one can make a community seem outdated or inefficient to potential homeowners. To meet the needs of modern residents, you should make sure your portal includes these features: payment getaways, forums for discussion, event calendars, maintenance request submissions, form for updating contact information, and robust security measures. Social media and video content. Social media offers HOAs a platform for real-time updates and community interactions. While many communities remain inactive on social media, unofficial resident-run accounts can spread misinformation. To ensure accurate engagement, community managers should create official social media channels, aligning content with the board's communication policies. To learn more about specific social media platforms and what you can do for each one, click here to download our ultimate guide to improving HOA communications. Beyond the content ideas mentioned, here are other ways you can use these social media platforms to keep your community engaged, updated, and unified. Event announcements and recaps, resident spotlights, maintenance and safety updates, and community polls. Each social media platform has distinct tools and strengths. By utilizing these, HOAs can reach diverse community demographics, ensuring inclusive and widespread engagement. Websites. An HOA's website is the community's digital welcome mat, crucial for both informing and engaging residents. Many communities lack a robust online presence or have outdated sites. It's vital for HOAs to develop a strong communications plan, inclusive of a compelling website, purpose, and objectives. Before designing your HOA website, set clear goals, such as boosting engagement or providing document access. A well-structured site acts as an information hub, presents a professional image to potential buyers, and nurtures community cohesion among residents. For more information on websites, click here to download our ultimate guide to improving HOA communications. Traditional communication methods. While the digital age has brought forth lots of communication channels, traditional methods remain tried and true for comprehensive communication strategies, some of which include newsletters and direct mail. Letter writing tips. Although it appears straightforward, writing letters is a bit of an art itself. When done correctly, a well-crafted letter can convey thoughtfulness, professionalism, and sincerity in ways that many digital methods cannot. To ensure your letters hit the mark, consider the following guidelines and tips. Community signage. Physical signages within the community offer a direct way to communicate, conveying information and setting the community's tone. Unlike emails, signs provide immediate information simply by being visible to residents. Here are key considerations to keep in mind when placing community signage. Association management systems. Technology has transformed HOA communication and operations with systems like DoorLoop HOA centralizing and streamlining processes. These platforms provide residents access to documents, announcements, and payment histories while also facilitating instant updates. In addition, such software enhances internal communication among HOA board members and stakeholders, which is as vital as resident communication. There are some general features to look for in HOA management software. HOA management software like DoorLoop HOA is not just for communication, but offers an all-in-one solution for associations. Beyond improving communication, they streamline dues collection, maintenance requests, and accounting. Such technology is vital in modernizing HOA communications and fostering transparent, efficient communication. As technology advances, HOAs must adapt to best serve their communities. Effective communication is very important for HOA operations and resident contentment. This video offers tools and practices to enhance HOA communications, from transparency principles to blending digital and traditional methods. Prioritizing clear communication policies and aligning with residents' preferences boosts HOA functionality. Ultimately, clear communication is key to fostering a stable community. If you'd like to learn more about DoorLoop HOA, don't forget to schedule a demo with us by clicking this link. You may just get a discount because you stayed on till the end of this video. We are looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.